Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. These toddler rain boots from Hunter have become a real staple in our family. Now, these things are really wonderful because we live on a farm and we're always going on nice long walks out in the horse pasture, the cow pasture, and my little toddler obviously wants to go with us. So these are perfect for her because they come up over her ankle. They have a nice height to them, so they come up over her ankle and she can step in all the mud puddles that she wants and play and not get wet. So these are really great for that. They also have a nice tread on the bottom of them, so she doesn't slide around really easily. Keeps her nice and secure. And frankly, these things are just so comfortable that she literally wears them everywhere. She wears them in her high chair. She wears them walking around the house. She always wants the boots on. The yellow color is really great because it works well for boys or girls. It's a happy color, and Hunter just makes a really great boot that everybody wants to wear. They're so cute. So these things are really fantastic. We have really loved them. We've actually bought them in several different sizes so that as she grows, they grow with her. So these are a great product, and that's our point of view.